y'all doing? Okay, so we're on the roof of this two-story townhome, and we're gonna work on this package unit. It's a Bryant 2-ton, and this is our access. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark in there, but that's our attic access. And then from that access we come to here, and we're just gonna do some minor things. We're gonna, well, first of all, since I'm already here, the drain, I'm gonna put some blocks to support the drain. Okay, so right here we have the drain that we're gonna correct. We're gonna flush this first, make sure that it's clear. It just goes right here. I don't know if you can see it. So we're just gonna flush it, make sure that it's clear, and then put some supports all along this way. I got this stabilizer thing. I hope that it's helping with my shaky hands. But here's the package unit right there. We're replacing these conduits. One is for the power, this is low voltage. I forgot these fittings, I have to go back down to get them. But yeah, we're gonna reconnect the drain. You see right there, it's all broken. The gas, we're gonna reroute it. I think we're gonna go through the back. Probably gonna go through the back. So we have to cut this away and then turn that direction. So, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. I guess I forgot this last time, or somebody else maybe. So there's my bucket of goodies. There's my tool bag over there, and we'll get started. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go disconnect the, turn off the breaker, from this power, so that we can replace this conduit. But that's what you see right now. We'll see what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so we are done. You can see the gas line right here has been reconnected, rerouted actually. It used to come under the unit and go across. It was like really awkward right here in the way, but now it goes through the back. It goes through the back. Then here's the drain. So it has a strap here, strap over there, and then a support over there. Here's the vent. This is the drain, the trap. And now we have the low voltage right here, and then we have our power. So we rerouted. The box used to be right here, and we relocated the box now. We put it right here. It's a much better location. And then here's your gas. You can turn it off, you can turn it on, but that's just for the gas for the package unit, not for the house. So that's it. I hope you liked it. I hope you're happy with it. I sure do. Oh, and I put another support right there. So now you're good. Now you're safe. So thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to say a few things about this job. It was just making some corrections to some sloppy installation. But all the things that I saw there, they were so unnecessary. It wouldn't have taken too much longer to, if you're replacing this unit, which this unit looks like it was replaced, and they just reconnected all the old stuff to it. Several of these townhomes have these new units installed, and I didn't look at them all because, as you can see, they're separated by those fences, those screens. But this one surely was like the worst, I think, because I saw the neighbor's unit and it didn't look as sloppy as this one did. But I don't understand the thinking behind this. Why would you be so sloppy and careless? I mean, the conduit for the electrical, the water could go in there and cause a short. Why? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.